record a video of yourself in HP laptop. First of all, slide the shutter if you have. Here you can see Windows icon, click it here. Now search for camera. Here you can see camera app, click it here. Here you can see this is for taking a photo and this is for recording a video of yourself. Click it here. Now it is recording a video. After finalizing a video, click it here. Now the video has saved in your HP laptop. To access this video, go to folder. Here you can see pictures. Here you can see camera roll. Here you can see the video which I recorded. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.